Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do the hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy J3 2016. This operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. So first of all, we need to turn off our device. After that, press and hold volume up, home button and power button together. 1, 2, 3. 3 buttons still holding. Release power button still holding volume up and home button. Release all the key. And now volume down to wipe data factory reset, accept by power. And go down, yes, accept by power. And now phone gonna be start with the new brand firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. That's it. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!